You are watching KSG News Explainer. In this video, we are going to talk about Cabinet approving semiconductors ecosystem. This is related to GS Paper 3, Information and Communication Technology. Before we get started, I request you to please turn on the subtitles. The Cabinet has approved the comprehensive program for the development of a sustainable semiconductor and display ecosystem to position India as the global hub for electronics manufacturing with semiconductors as the foundational building block. Now, what is this all about? The program aims to provide attractive incentive support to companies or consortia engaged in silicon semiconductor fabs, display fabs, compound semiconductors or silicon photonics or sensor fabs, semiconductors packaging, and semiconductor design. The scheme envisages investment of around 76,000 crore rupees in semiconductor production over the next 5 to 6 years, the government said, adding that the government has announced incentives for every part of the supply chain, including electronic components and sub-assemblies and finished goods. The scheme for setting up semiconductor fabs and display fabs in India will extend fiscal support of up to 50% of project cost on a pari passu basis to applicants who are found eligible and have the technology as well as capacity to execute such highly capital intensive and resource intensive projects. Now, what is a semiconductor? A semiconductor is a material product usually comprised of silicon, which conducts electricity more than an insulator such as glass, but less than a pure conductor such as copper or aluminium. Their conductivity and other properties can be altered with the introduction of impurities called doping to meet the specific needs of the electronic component in which it resides. Also known as semis or chips, semiconductors can be found in thousands of products such as computers, smartphones, appliances, gaming hardware, and medical equipment. That's all we could pack in this edition of KSG News Explainer. Stay tuned for more such videos. To join KSG India courses and to crack the IELTS exam, visit ksgindia.com. You can also get a PDF of this video on ksgindia.com. Thanks for watching.